Good morning, students. This is maths time.
As we have learned counting 1 to 100. So, it's turn to learn number names. Do you know what are number names? Number names are spelling of numbers that we speak. Like, how do we spell 1? O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. Next 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. 4 F-O-U-R 4. 5 F-I-V-E 5. 6 S-I-X 6. 7 S-E-V-E-N 7. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. 9 N-I-N-E 9. 10 T-E-N 10. Yay! We have learned the spelling of numbers. So let's practice it in our notebook. Come with me. Read the caption. Write numbers name 1 to 10. First, 1. O N E 1. T W O 2. T H R E E 3. F O U R 4. F I V E 5. S I X 6. S E V E N 7. E I G H T 8. N I N E 9. And 10. T E N 10. These are spelling of numbers. So you have to practice it again and again. We will meet soon. Till then, bye-bye.